So next up, guys, got a planter here, and I wanted to do a quick video just because it's inside here to get you a little bit better just view of it. It's a Kinze 2300 16 row 30-inch rows. The consignor just ran it last year, worked good, didn't have any major issues or anything like that. But guys, I just wanted to get a video, just kind of go around it, just so, like I said, obviously parked inside. It's always been stored inside. Really is in pretty decent shape yet. It does have the insecticide row cleaners. Those insecticide boxes may need rebuilt. Come with corn and bean plates. Corn plates are, just at 6 years old. It might need the bean plates either rebuilt or get new ones. He said he hasn't ran those. But, kind of a nice planter, been stored inside. Guys taking pretty dang good care of it. He's owned it for the majority of its life, so. Here's just a quick video on the Kinze 2300 planter, guys. Good luck with auction time and old 20 auctions.